You don't need all 1400 commands in Fusion 360. You only need a few. Let's check out chamfer as well as fillet.
Our fillet command is right here. When we click on it here, it's going to ask you edges, faces, features. So we could click on this whole face, and that allows us to select all of the four sides, and then maybe we want to select this one here. Then it's going to ask us for a radius. So let's just make this an inch. Let's see what happens. So you see, it's showing an illustration of what it's going to be if we select OK. And it also gives us one option here, which is the rolling ball or the setback, whichever one you think is better for your situation. There's another type here where you can do a chord length. You can do we happen to like constant, or maybe there's an asymmetric reason. Maybe that's something your design needs, but most people are just going to want this constant here, and we're going to hit OK. And that looks pretty great, right? Now let's flip this over here, and we're going to do the chamfer on the other side. Chamfer, the fun thing is, it kind of feels like the same command in a way. So we're just going to do the whole face up here, and then we're going to grab one of these sides here. We'll also do a 1-inch chamfer. And so the chamfer is just, it's cutting it at a 45-degree angle, at least in this instance here. And then you can kind of see how that goes. Of course, we can do two differences. So rather than a 45, we could pick 30 or whatever we choose, or we could do a distance at an angle. And then, of course, the corner type, we can chamfer, we can miter, and we can blend. So there's a ton of options that this gives us. Again, it's like a super simple command, and it'll be one that people find useful.
Check out our next video, which is the whole command.